Friends, so today what we're going to do is we are going to draw a pie in the style of Thiebaud. So let's see the supplies that we need. We need half a paper which is cut into a square shape. Okay, square is something that has both the all the sides the same. Okay, so what I did was I took a paper, half a paper, I put my hand this much. It doesn't have to be an exact square, so I put the hand like this and then I drew a line and then I cut to get a square paper. Then we need markers, we need crayons, we need a pencil and an eraser. Okay, I also am going to use my whiteboard to practice draw on. You can use a scrap paper. So before we get into the lesson, let's first talk about Wayne Thiebaud.
Wayne Thiebaud is an American artist who was born in the 1920s and recently turned 100 years old. He grew up in California and started drawing at a young age. When he was a teenager, he worked for Disney, and as an adult during World War II, he worked as an artist in the Air Force. He's famous for his colorful work of delicious foods, like pies, ice cream cones, and pastries, inspired by his nostalgia and the time he spent working in a bakery when he was younger. We consider him a pop artist since he draws popular things, and his specialty is realistic paintings that make you feel like you could almost reach out and touch the tasty food. But he doesn't only paint food. He also creates oil paintings of landscapes, cityscapes, figure drawings, and even cows and dogs.
So you guys are back. So let's learn how to draw this project. Okay, so I'm going to draw a square so that you can see because it's a square paper that we're going to draw inside, right? So first, what we're going to do is we're going to draw, this is a slice of pie that we're going to draw. So we are going to, not a vertical line, a diagonal, not slightly diagonal line. Is there a word like that, slightly diagonal? I don't know. So a line like this in the middle of the paper, okay? Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line like that. Then you are going to connect this. Okay, over here you're going to draw the pie. We are just starting the whipped cream. Okay, so for that I'm going to draw a line like that. I'm going to erase this much. Then a little bit of here also. Then, like this. So like that. Like this. And then we'll be going like that, okay. It doesn't have to be whipped cream. It's like a whipped cream doesn't look the same. Sometimes whipped cream on top of one pie would look different than on another pie, right? So you don't have to be worried about that. I'm going to draw a curvy line, another line like that. Over here I'm going to put, I didn't complete this part because I'm going to put a lime slice over here. So a rainbow, a smaller rainbow inside, connect it. I'm going to connect this rainbow, a teeny tiny rainbow, and then like that. Okay, so next here I'm going to make line like that. That is the crust. So before we go further, let's extend the pie down like that, 2 lines, connect this, okay, and then I'm going to draw the crust, the bottom crust of the pie, so like that, and the side crust. Okay, so this is a cream filled pie, so I'm going to draw a line like that inside. Now let's draw the plate. So I'm going to draw make a C, backward C, and then the right side C, draw a line like that. I'm going to repeat that again. So we have a plate. Now we are going to draw a horizon line. So we are not cutting through the pie, we're jumping over and then continue on the other side. Okay, so this is all the drawing that needs to be done. I'll talk about the coloring when we are doing the pie. So what happened now was I already drew this much because I was recording and I didn't realize I didn't press the record button. So this I was drawing once again. So I have already finished this pencil drawing. So you can do the pencil drawing along with the, you can rewind and draw along with me while I'm drawing on the whiteboard. Okay, once you are done drawing with the pencil, you are going to outline everything with the black marker. So that's what I'm doing right now. So once you are done drawing everything, you're going to erase off all the pencil lines after you outline it with the black marker. Okay. Now, let's take the markers and start coloring this. Okay. So marker, I'm going to take the brown marker and first color the crust. So I'm just going to go along the line. This is too dark. The crust will look like it is burnt. So I'm going to take the crayons and then color in. Okay. Okay, so it's a key lime pie. So it's going to be, this is, lime is green, right? So I'm just going along this line. So it'll look like shadow, but actually we are doing it with the green marker. If you want this to be an orange pie, you can even do all these lines with orange color. Okay. So then I'm going to take my green color. So I'm going to be, key lime pie is almost this color. I'm going to take both the greens and then I'm going to color in with this green. So the edges, I'm going to make it like slightly transition into light green. Okay, color inside. Okay, so next let's color the plate. I'm going to use black lightly there to make it look like it is, or I can use this itself, the pencil. I can't find my black crayon, so I'm just going to use my pencil and color this. You can use the black crayon. Oh, black crayon was here. I was not looking properly. Was not looking where I should be looking. I'll go over that with this one. Okay, now I'm going to color the background now. So for that, the table, I'm going to make it, color it with the marker itself. So it's the blue marker. Maybe I should have colored with the crayons. It would have been easier and faster. Coloring with marker makes it more colorful, right? So I thought, why not we try doing this with a marker? Because it's a square paper, there is less space to color, right? So maybe I'll go over this with a crayon. Now for the background, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take pink and make pink stripes. So I'm going to leave like 1 finger space and then make a 1 finger width stripe all the way down. Now leave 2 finger space between the stripes. Two finger space, 1 finger width. Okay. So now I'm going to take the pink crayon or maybe the red, and then you can color lightly inside. Oh, this is not red. Oh. Why I'm used pink for the background is because it's a key lime pie, and it is green, right? And red and green are opposite colors, and then it will make it stand out, right? So that's the reason I'm using the background color pink or red. Okay, I need to add some shadow over here, so I'm going to take the pencil itself and then take my blue crayon. Made a slight line to show the thing, I'm going to go over the blue one more time to fill in all the spaces. So this part, maybe you can just use light blue and then go over that. Same thing here. Don't color the whole whipped cream with blue, just the sides to make it look like it's the like give it more shape. Okay, so with that we are done with our today's project. I had a lot of fun. Hope you guys had fun. I would like to see how this turned out. So after you upload this into Caesar or Clever, whatever your class uses, email me your finished work so that I can see how this turned out. So till we meet next time, bye-bye.